Now, let's go ahead and take a look at some of the other things involved in changing the phasers and things of that nature on the front of this engine. As we start to get into that, a lot of techs are just pulling the cabs so they can simply get down there, work on the front of the engine, get all that radiator and stuff out of the way. Plus, when they're pulling that cover off, it's easier to go ahead and line up that oil pump pass through down there. And you can see the connector at the bottom of this slide. That connector's got to go through that cover, and to line that up and not break anything, it's easier if the cab is off out of the way. Also, it's not a bad idea to look on all variable cam motors, variable cam timing motors, to see if there's an updated oil pump for these things. Maybe one with a little bit more volume. Since we're using oil for the medium for our hydraulics, be a good idea to make sure we have a good fresh oil pump or one with a little higher volume. So keep that in mind as well.